So I did 25 plus years in the Army. And one of the reasons that I got medically retired was because of my hips. No MRIs needed, right? Just the x-rays alone showed the degeneration in my hip. And 6 months later, I'm in a wheelchair because I went from a cane to a walker. I just I couldn't function anymore. I couldn't go up and down the stairs. I couldn't drive. I couldn't sleep.
I saw him in my office. He was in a wheelchair. His wife was pushing him, and he had really bad hips. Both his hips were essentially shot. And we ended up doing bilateral hip replacements on him.
I could almost cry. I remember when I first stood up, just being able to stand up and not feel that pain. I mean, there was, of course, pain. I just went through a surgery, but it was a different pain. And the feeling that, man, I'm gonna be able to walk again. Man, if I could have more kids, I would name them all Raj. Because Dr. Raj, I mean, I feel like he gave my life back.
But whatever it is, to see them better than they were before, it's pretty satisfying. To see them go back to the activities they want to do that they haven't been able to do.
I would have never thought that a year or two later, I would be on a motorcycle doing this. Man, I mean, my life has changed. I mean, you saw me on my motorcycle into the Wild Wild West. Nah, I'm just enjoying life, that's all.